I'm sure all of you have a person whom you admire. You follow that person in social media, you share the post that person keeps updating always. It may be a leader whom you follow. Yes, all of us do it. Now, what makes those people special that we end up following them? We give them a special treatment. Why and how? There is a language of leadership which these guys are using, which inspires us and makes us feel that I should join that person in that journey. Now, what is that language of leadership? Let's understand in this video. Recently, Sonam Wangchuk is trending in social media. Sonam Wangchuk was known for some other reasons before, because of the great work he has done in education and because of a very famous movie, Three Idiots. But recently, he came in limelight and people started sharing his content, people started following him because he came up with a new meaning of boycotting Chinese products. Now, boycotting Chinese products was always there in India from years together, but it was never in so much limelight till Sonam Wangchuk talked about it and he gave reasons for it. And he showed his purpose, his mission and his vision for the reason behind boycotting Chinese products. And when people saw a person showing his mission and his vision about boycotting Chinese products and how it can affect us and benefit our country, we all started following that person. In fact, I follow that person, Sonam Wangchuk. Everyone is talking about boycotting Chinese products, and this guy, Sonam Wangchuk, was able to inspire us. How? He's using a language of leadership that is called as purpose or mission. Mission and vision. This guy was able to install a mission and vision in us. And we human beings, we naturally get attracted to people. It's a part of instinctive brain. We naturally get attracted to people who have some purpose in their life, who are able to show direction to us, and we treat them like leaders and we want to join in that tribe and we love following them. Okay, that's a technique of purpose and mission which Sonam Wangchuk used. Now, you look around the leaders whom you follow. For example, I follow Sandeep Maheshwari, I follow Sadhguru. The reason why I follow Sandeep Maheshwari is I connect with this mission and vision. He's on a mission to impact all the youth across the globe to live their true potential, to realize who they really are, to live their dream life. And I connect with that mission, I connect with that vision, and I follow him. I follow Sadhguru as well. If you follow Sadhguru, his intention is to make you realize the real you. Okay, inner engineering is a program he talks about, and I connect about that mission and vision which he shares with people. If you see Sadhguru, he has 3 lakh people who are working under him as volunteers, which means they are not paid, but they are dedicated. From morning till evening, they work for him because of his purpose, his mission and his vision. If you see again Sadhguru, recently, a few years ago, in fact 1 year ago, he launched a mission of Rally for Rivers. The whole world, in fact the whole country and across the world also, people appreciated him for Rally for Rivers. If you see Narendra Modi, when in this Corona times, he asked everyone to light a lamp, he asked everyone to make some sounds in the balcony, and everyone joined that mission and vision because we were inspired by a person who is doing this for us, for humanity, for people of India. Please understand this. This is a language of leadership. We naturally get attracted to people who have some vision, have some mission. Now, what is the mission? Mission is your purpose, your why you're doing what you're doing. That's your mission, that's your purpose. Now, very few people know it. And that mission and purpose cannot be for selfish gains. It should be for people around us. It should be able to benefit people around us. And that's when people connect with that mission. And mission is not enough, you should have a vision as well. Now, what is the meaning of vision? Vision means to be able to install an image in people about what you are actually trying to do in the world. I'll give an example, okay? I'm sure many of you would have heard this example. 3 sculptors, they are working on a stone. They are trying to build a building. Now, one guy went and asked first person, what are you doing? He said, I'm breaking the stone. Okay. Second person was asked, what are you doing? There are 3 sculptures, okay? Second person said, I'm making a building. Now, the same question was asked to a third person who was doing the same job which the rest of the 2 were doing. And the third person says, I am building a church which will stay for 100 years and people will come here to pray to God. Now the third person, he was enjoying his job and he was doing it for a higher purpose, for a mission. Okay, and he had that vision in him that what this job is going to impact at the end. Because of that vision, he was happy, and thanks to the leaders who were able to install that vision in him. Now, one more example you might have heard, okay? John F. Kennedy, he was walking in NASA campus when they were trying to send a person to the moon. Now, there was a janitor working, okay? Janitor is nothing but a peon working. What do you do here? John F. Kennedy asked him, he said, I am helping NASA to put a man on the moon. I am helping NASA to put a man on the moon. And he was a cleaner, he was a janitor there. He had that vision which was installed by NASA in him, that we are working to put a man on the moon. Now, when you work with that vision in your head, you cannot go wrong. You cannot do less. You will always do more because you are inspired. There is someone who is inspiring you with this mission, and he has clearly showed you a vision, where you have to go and what you have to do. Making sense? So great leaders know this, great leaders do this. Now my question to you is, do you have your mission and vision? I had a mission and vision, but I never talked about it. So now let me tell you my vision and vision, okay? Now my mission is to impact 10 lakh people's life and make them realize their true potential. Make them realize that life can be much more better if you find the confidence within you. If you find out the real meaning of life, then life can become better. Now that's my mission. This video which I'm recording is actually a part of my mission, because you are among those 10 lakh people whom I want to inspire. And I'm sure I'm going to achieve my vision. And if you want to join my mission and vision, you can please join me, watch my videos, share my videos, and it will help me to achieve my vision and my goal in life. So this is what I wanted you to understand, my friends. Great leaders, they are visionaries, they are missionaries, okay? They give a direction to society, and we get naturally inspired from these people, because that is how the brain functions. Instinctive brain is naturally drawn to people who have some mission and vision. I hope it makes sense. Use this, and I'm sure you will love to see the response which you're going to get from people around you. I hope it makes sense to you. Please start applying this and let me know how it worked for you. And please work on your mission and vision and share it in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.